How to download video from a recording on a Tapo camera. First of all, we need to find the video. So let's go to the camera in question, say the house at the front, and we want to look at the playback and download section. So click on that, and then it'll come up with some feeds. And on the right hand side, you'll see 3 dots. So we'll click on that, and we'll see download. So we'll click on download, and this will download it to the cameras. And then once we do, on download, you'll see the clip has just been saved. Now what do you want to do if you want to get it off there? So we can either share it, download it again, or delete it. Now share means you can put it onto WhatsApp, things like that. But with download, it saves it to your camera album. So once we go back to the photos section on the camera, we can see it in our album. Can you see here? So I just click select selected, and there it is in the album, which plays back and everything like that. And that's it. And that is how you download from your Tapo camera. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.